Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Equity and Google Sheets. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new appointment in Equity, we want to send the data to Google Sheets. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Equity is an appointment scheduling software, whereas Google Sheet is an online spreadsheet program. So the issue here is that Equity and Google Sheets don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to integrate both these software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I'm going to hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in. Now, because I have already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. So now I'll scroll down, and here at Connect, I'm going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this plus create workflow. Okay, so let us give a name to this workflow. So I'm going to give it as Equity Scheduling to Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm going to create it. Okay, so now what we are going to do here is we are going to integrate Equity Scheduling with Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So first we are going to integrate Equity Scheduling with Pabbly Connect, and then we'll integrate Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to choose Equity Scheduling over here. This one. Okay, so in choose method, you can see there are many trigger methods available over here. Now you might have a confusion that what is trigger. So let me explain you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever there is a new appointment scheduled in Equity Scheduling, we want to send the data to Google Sheets. So scheduling an appointment in Equity Scheduling is our trigger, whereas sending the data as new row in Google Sheets is our action. So here, new appointment is our trigger method. So you can see there are many other trigger methods available over here. You can select whichever you want. And if you don't get the trigger of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger of your choice. So I'm going to click on new appointment. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with Equity Scheduling. Okay, so here you don't have to worry about the credentials. Just come to connect with Equity Scheduling. So now here you can see it is asking me for the credentials so that Pabbly Connect can build a connection with Equity Scheduling. So you don't have to worry about your data and your account. It is 100% safe and secure. So I'm going to put my email ID over here. Okay, so I already have it over here. Next. Okay, allow access. Okay, so you can see authorization is successful. Now we have built a connection between Equity Scheduling and Pabbly Connect. So now here you can see this term called webhook URL. So in some cases what happens is when you select an app and you choose a method over here, after that you have to copy this webhook URL from here and you have to go and paste it inside the trigger software application. But here you don't have to do it because we have already built a connection by putting our credentials. So now when you click on save and send test request, the webhook will be created automatically. The data will be sent to this URL over here without us going and pasting this URL in the trigger software manually. So now let me show you save and send test request. Okay, so you can see appointment schedule and we have set our webhook over there. So now whenever there is an activity in the trigger software application, that is Equity Scheduling here, Pabbly Connect will capture the data automatically. So now I'm going to capture webhook response. So now what we are going to do is we'll go back to our equity scheduling account and we are going to schedule an appointment. So here is my equity scheduling account. So let me schedule an appointment for November 7th. Okay, so I'll schedule it at 11. So the time is 11 a.m. Okay, date is correct. The name of the client is Steve. The last name is Stokes. Okay, phone. Okay, I've entered the phone number. Email stokessteve@gmail.com. Okay, so now I'm going to schedule the appointment over here. Okay, so I'll save this. Okay, so you can see we have successfully scheduled our appointment of Steve Stokes and the time is 11 a.m. 12 p.m. Okay, so now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured our data or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see it has already captured our API response over here. That means we have set up a connection between Pabbly Connect and equity scheduling. So now I'm going to save it. Okay, so now here you can see we only have ID and the calendar ID over here, but we don't have any details of the client with whom we have this appointment scheduled. So in order to get the details of the client and to even get his email and the name, so what we are going to do is we are going to add an action step over here. So I'll click on this plus button here. Okay, so here I'm again going to choose equity scheduling. And in choose method, I am going to select get a single appointment by ID because I need a proper information of that client. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with equity scheduling. Okay, so I'm going to connect it. So, okay. Now I have already put all this. I'm going to allow access. Okay. So now here you can see it is asking me for the appointment ID. So the appointment ID is this one. So I'm just going to map the information that we got here. So let's get the ID, this one. Okay, so now save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got all the information of the person with whom we have this appointment. So you can see we have the other details as well, the date, when is it, the start time, end time, and when we created the appointment. Okay, so I'm going to save it. So here we finish our first step integration, that is integrating equity scheduling with Pabbly Connect. And now our goal is to send all this information to Google Sheets automatically. So for that, I'm going to add the action step over here. And I'm going to choose Google Sheets here. Okay, in choose method, you can see we have many action methods available over here. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. But according to this workflow that we are currently working, as soon as an appointment is fixed in equity scheduling, we want to create a new row and send the data to Google Sheets. So I'm going to select add new row. Now, if you want any other action method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific action method. So here I'm going to select on add new row because this is our action method over here. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with Google Sheets. So now before connecting it, let's go and create a new Google spreadsheet. So I'm going to select a new tab over here. And I'm going to search for Google Sheets. Okay, go to Google Sheets. And now I'm going to create a blank spreadsheet from here. Okay, so I'm going to name it as Equity Scheduling to Google Sheets. Okay, so now we'll create some empty field headers over here. So first is going to be name, then email ID. Okay, then I'll keep it as date of appointment, then start time and end time. Okay, so I have kept it over here. Okay, so now let's go to Pabbly Connect. and now I'm going to connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so now my Google Sheet is synced with this account. That is why I'm going to select on this. Okay, so I'm going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. It is 100% safe and secure. Okay, done. So now here you can see we have some empty fields over here, and we have to map the information that we have got from API 2 and the API 1. Okay, so now you can see it has already captured these two information over here. The spreadsheet name that I kept was equity scheduling to Google Sheets, and that is what it has captured over here. And it was sheet 1 over here, and it is same over here. So now let us map name, email ID, date of appointment, and rest of the details. So name, let me map it. Okay, so I'll put first name as well as the last name over here. So Pabbly Connect gives you a unique feature where you can map both first name and last name together. Okay, so now I'm going to map the email ID. Email ID is here. Date of appointment. So date of appointment is 7th November. Okay, so now date of appointment. Date. This is November 7th, 2020. Start time. Now let's get the start time. Okay, starts at 11 a.m. and end time is 12 p.m. Okay, so now we have entered the details in all these fields, and now I'm going to save and send test request. So we have got the API response. That means we have built a connection with Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now let's go to Google Sheets and see if all this data has been captured there or not. So I'll go to Google Sheets. Okay, so you can see we have got all the information over here. Name, email ID, date of appointment, start time, end time, everything is here. Okay, so now I'll show you this process one more time with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. Okay, so I'll go to equity scheduling. So I'm here. Okay, so now let's create a new event on 17th November. Let the time be 2 p.m. So I'll just make it as 2 p.m. Okay. Client name, I'll keep it as Hamis. Okay. Then I'll write Casper. So all my details have come here. So I'll just schedule the appointment. Okay, so I'll save it. Okay, so you can see we have created an appointment on 17th November and the time is 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Let's go to Google Sheets and see if it has captured this data or not. So I'll go to Google Sheets. So you can see Hamis Casper is here, email ID, date of appointment, start time, end time, everything is over here. So now let me go to Pabbly Connect and explain you what has happened here. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. So I'll just minimize this. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information would have come from equity scheduling to Pabbly Connect, and then the information came from Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. So now whenever there is a new appointment scheduled in equity scheduling, a new row would be added in Google Sheets and the information will be stored automatically. Now we have successfully integrated equity scheduling and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.